India is the birthplace of modern mathematics. It emerged in the subcontinent from 1200 BC until the end of the 18th century. Agriculture to astronomy and taxation to the distribution of wealth, every single school of science, technology, even management and fine arts are deeply dependent on mathematical excellence. The Department of Mathematical Sciences began its journey as a section to assist engineering departments to the institute, which in the true sense pioneered engineering education in the Indian nation. It soon acquired the status of a full-fledged department in 1985.
कंप्यूटिंग डिसिप्लिन जो कि एक ग्रोइंग डिसिप्लिन है और बिना मैथमेटिक्स के पार्टिसिपेशन के, रेदर मैथमेटिक्स इज़ द ओरिजिन ऑफ कंप्यूटिंग डिसिप्लिन। बिना उसके कंप्यूटिंग का कोई मतलब नहीं है, वहीं से शुरुआत हुई। बाद में जब ये थोड़ा ग्रो किया तब इसको हमने अलग किया, तब ये अलग से कंप्यूटर साइंस के नाम से जाना गया। लेकिन जो कंप्यूटिंग पार्ट था, जो कि बीच की कड़ी है, एक मैथमेटिक्स की और कंप्यूटर साइंस के बीच की जो कड़ी है, जो दोनों में अलगाव है, उसको पूरा करने के लिए ये कंप्यूटिंग डिसिप्लिन।
The department has a high rush of students with an increasing index every year. Presently, the department offers different courses like the IDD, that is the Integrated Dual Degree course, which is providing BTech and MTech degrees after 5 years, and PhD degree courses.
And I was actually admitted in IIT BHU in Electrical Engineering IDD course, and then I had a branch change from electrical to mathematics and computing, and from second year to fifth year I have studied in mathematics and computing.
The experience has been really amazing. As initially जब मैं आई थी, the first time when I came here, I was not very happy with the way things were. But eventually, not only I have gotten used to it, but I have begun to enjoy it. So experience though has been really great the last 5 years.
The department is working on specializations such as fluid mechanics, biomechanics, and mathematical biology, computational fluid dynamics, analysis, algebra and cryptography, digital image processing, graph theory and network sciences, and many more. The objective of the program is to train students to handle problems in industries and government organizations through the combined use of mathematical and computer techniques.
मैं काम कर रही हूँ फ्रैक्चर मैकेनिक्स में, मेनली क्रैक प्रोपगेशन इसमें मैं स्टडी कर रही हूँ कि डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल्स लाइक ऑर्थोट्रॉपिक मटेरियल्स, आइसोट्रॉपिक मटेरियल्स और हेट्रोजीनियस मटेरियल्स में क्रैक प्रोपगेशन कैसे इन्वॉल्व होता है एंड हाउ टू रिमूव दिस क्रैक फ्रॉम दोज मटेरियल्स।
हम लोग इस समय पोरस मीडिया पे काम कर रहे हैं। इससे हम लोग ये पता करते हैं कि जो ग्राउंड वाटर है कितना पोल्यूटेड हो चुका है। हमें पर क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया में पोल्यूशन अगर पता चल जाएगा तो उसके लिए हम लोग समाधान के लिए कुछ कदम उठाएंगे कि यहाँ उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या किया जाए, अगर हमें पोल्यूट का रेट पता चल जाएगा तो।
The department has smart classrooms and 2 computer-aided labs with high-speed server LAN and Wi-Fi facilities. But the greatest strength of the department is the robust system of academic practices and highly experienced faculty members.
They have a good future. If anybody any student willing to join this department, they have a good future. Not only in mathematics and computing, they have very good job opportunities. But anyone who wants to do PhD also, they have enough scope to do. Okay. And they have there are faculties to guide them.
As Paul Dirac said, that God used beautiful mathematics in creating the world. Modern mathematicians, hence, have been working hard to solve every quantitative problem to create an explicit world.